The 2025 Chevy Chevelle Malibu SS is making waves with its stunning fusion of futuristic design and raw power. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or someone looking for a sleek, high-performance vehicle, this car promises to impress. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Malibu SS truly special. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Chevy Malibu SS boasts a striking exterior that blends classic muscle car appeal with modern sophistication. Its aerodynamic body is sleek, with bold lines and sculpted curves that give it an aggressive stance. The car features a glossy, pure beige finish that catches the light, showcasing its luxurious presence. The front end stands out with a wide, imposing grille, highlighted by intricate black accents, adding to its bold look. The matrix-LED headlights, with their sharp, linear design, are a perfect touch to enhance its futuristic appeal. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of impressive. Premium materials like leather and metallic accents fill the space, and the layout is both stylish and functional. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display that seamlessly integrates navigation, multimedia, and performance metrics. The seats are designed for comfort and support, ensuring that both short trips and long drives are a breeze. With ambient lighting setting the mood, the interior feels like an extension of the car's cutting-edge design. Under the hood, the 2025 Malibu SS packs a punch. It's powered by a high-performance engine that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. You can expect a smooth but powerful ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or accelerating through winding roads. With its precise handling, responsive brakes, and smooth transmission, this car gives you a sense of control and confidence behind the wheel. It's not just about looks, as the Malibu SS combines performance and handling to make every drive a memorable experience. As for technology, the 2025 Chevy Malibu SS includes all the latest advancements. It comes with an intuitive infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing you to easily connect your devices. The car also offers an array of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, all designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevy Chevelle Malibu SS is expected to be priced starting around $45,000, which offers excellent value considering its performance, design, and tech features. For anyone in the market for a vehicle that offers both style and substance, the Malibu SS represents a solid investment. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevy Chevelle Malibu SS is more than just a car, it's a statement. With its futuristic design, powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and a price tag that offers great value for what you get, it's clear why this car is turning heads. If you're in the market for a muscle car that offers modern features and incredible driving performance, the Chevy Chevelle Malibu SS should definitely be on your radar.